we are back on ZOHO subscriptions, and this is the dashboard of ZOHO subscriptions. We are working currently on a live production environment, so to give you the natural feel of how the things work. So we are gonna show this video on a particular segment of how to add coupon inside your products of different ZOHO subscription which you invoice to people. So we go to products area, and currently we are focused on kindergarten INT. So we go on kindergarten INT as one of the products. So here we have 5 different plans in kindergarten INT. So we have already shown in one of the videos how to add a plan inside the product. You can check the link of the video in the description section to understand. And here we are focused on creating a coupon for a plan that will be repeated on a monthly basis for an invoice discount. So we click on add coupon, and by clicking on more and then add coupon. So here we write the coupon name. For example, we write coupon name as sibling discount. Coupon code can be something like a alphanumeric thing. So for example, we make something like this, some random number and the amount, or the way you want. So we want currently the 500 to be discounted. It can be a flat amount or it can be percentage. Currently we are focused on flat. Now we have it as mentioned as one time, forever, limited number of times. So we want to keep it to limit one time for now. And then the option is there that you want to click on all plans or selected plans. So we have an option to put on the one of the plans that we have, or we can make it available for all plans. So currently we are making it on all plans. We also have an option to make it on all add-ons and or the selected add-ons. So here we currently do not have any add-ons, so we just keep it like that, or we keep it none other to avoid system error. And if we have a validity date till when the coupon is gonna be valid, or till when the coupon is gonna be active, before beyond that it will expire. So we're making it right now as March 2023 because it's a financial year end. So we just don't want it to go forward. We of course can create it again or work on it. Maximum redemptions is how many times a person can use it. So currently we just want to keep it like that, so that because anyways the coupon will be, even if shared, then we know the people right now. So of course you can use it if you want maximum 12, because there are 12 months. So you can keep it like that, else you can keep it blank, so because it's not a mandatory field. So then we save the coupon. This is how you add a coupon, and you can see the coupon is being added, and below you will see that coupon as sibling mentioned here. So here's the coupon that is showing as active now, and this coupon can be used in the invoicing section. Point to be noted is that coupon discount is only valid for the monthly renewal fees. It's not valid, or it can't be used for the setup or registration fees. So I hope this video is useful to you. In case you are looking for more videos on ZOHO One applications or on ZOHO subscriptions, then do connect with us. You can mention in the comment section of the video that you're looking for, or the area that you're looking for in ZOHO One. As well as there is a referral code inside in the description section, so which you can use to get discount on your ZOHO subscription purchase or ZOHO One purchase. And I hope you love the product, and be in touch. So do like and subscribe the channel, and do share if you find this particular information useful to you. We'll be coming up with more videos on different ZOHO modules, different ZOHO applications, and as well as the bits and bits of every application in form of small training, so which can be used to make sure that you are able to train your staff, as well as you are able to use the product of ZOHO in its efficient manner. Thank you.